नहीं, वो स्टूडेंट के गिन के।
Okay, okay. No problem. Good morning once again.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
Good morning. I hope all of you are very fine. Yes, keeping healthy.
Yes, ma'am.
You take care of
यस
yourself.
मैम।
Okay, beta. So now we are through the blood. Now we're going to take the last part of this chapter, that is lesson number 11, excretory mechanism. Okay? Okay, we are through heart. I think you have understood regarding the heart. Any problem regarding the
Yes,
heart,
ma'am.
beta? Fine. So now we are going to talk about kidneys. Okay? Excretory mechanism. Start, beta.
मैम आई से
Yes, no problem. You just give your name and start reading.
एक्टी
Excretory
excretory mechanism.
mechanism.
When blood reaches to the kidneys, the nephrons present
Rinaldo.
in the kidneys filter
Ronaldo,
blood.
Ronaldo.
Okay, there's
The useful
disturbance in the
substance.
background. Better be careful.
Story, no.
What, ma'am?
Better just adjust your mic. There's disturbance, lots of disturbance.
Hmm?
Okay, okay.
Just or change your place if possible. Yeah, now start.
Okay, ma'am. When blood reaches to the kidneys, when blood reaches to the kidneys, the nephrons present in the kidneys filter the blood.
So what
The
happens in the kidney,
useful,
beta? Just a moment. This is the kidney.
yes,
Yes, this is the kidney. Now, what are present inside these cells? Nephrons. There are lots of nephrons in the kidneys. Or it's full of nephrons in the kidneys. What is the function of this nephron, beta? They the blood comes inside the kidney and nephrons filter the kidney. What nephrons do, beta? They filter the blood. Where? In the
yes,
kidney. This you understood? This you
yes.
understood? Oh, next.
The useful substances are absorbed back into the blood and the ma'am नीचे करो and the waste dissolved in water are removed as urine
Now, what is
from the
happening over there? Just a moment, beta. What is happening over there?
yes,
We're
yes.
going step by step, so you will understand.
Okay.
Whatever this is, who is filtering? Nephron is filtering, right? After
Yes.
filtration, if at all the usual substances are also filtered, this comes back again in the blood. Useful substances goes back into the blood, and the blood which is having the maximum water in it, they are removed from the body in the form of urine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now,
Read
yes, better read.
from the from the kidneys, the urine goes into the urinary urinary bladder through ureters. It is stored in the bladder and is passed out through u- uri-
Urethra. Urethra.
urethra. Urethra.
Now look away. Yes, better. Now this is the kidney. Please, all of you have a look. From there are two tubes coming out, right? These two tubes are called as ureters. What are they called as, beta?
Ureters.
What is this called as, beta?
What?
What is this called
Kidneys.
as? Kidneys. So this is kidneys. And these two tubes coming of the kidney is the ureter. Now from here it
Yes.
goes to from
Bladder.
where it's bladder. This is called as bladder,
Bladder.
urinary bladder. I'm just giving you an idea. And from
Yes.
here there is an opening. This opening is called as
Urethra.
what is easy? Any problem?
Yes. No.
Any problem?
No, ma'am.
All of you, beta, all of you understood?
No problem.
Very good. Thank you. We'll see over here. How does it look? Now this is a kidney.
Okay.
You don't have to go in detail. I just want to show you how the kidney looks like. See, this is the
Yes.
kidney. Got it? Hello, all of you. This is how the
Yes, ma'am.
kidney looks like. Okay, just have a look, nothing else.
Kidney.
No start.
Yes.
Start better.
Excretion in animals. Excretion. In the process by which waste products are removed from the body. Excretion
If,
in. Yes, ma'am.
no, I just thought that whether I will ask you to continue or what do you prefer, but I just want to ask you. Should I explain you line by line or should I explain the whole thing together? You say.
Okay.
What do you want me to do? Nee, what do you want me
Like
to do? Should I go
line
line by
by
line
line.
or should I? Okay, line by line. Then you wait for some time. Now, what
Okay.
is the mechanism of excretion? Excretion is a mechanism, it's a phenomena, it's a process, it's a method by which the waste from our body is removed. Okay, the waste which is accumulated, which is uh, getting accumulated in the body, which is being produced in the body, is removed from the body. Why? Because if it stays in the body, then it will become toxic to the body. You understand? It will be dangerous for our health. So it has to be removed periodically so that we remain healthy. Otherwise, we will fall sick. Okay? Yes, start.
Excretion is done by the excretory system.
So, which system is coming into function? It is the excretory
Excretory.
system. Excretory, beta. Say again.
Excre- Excretory system.
Excretory system. Very good. Start.
The human excretory system consists of kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra.
Now, if we talk about the human excretory system, what do we have? We have kidneys. Can you see the kidney over here?
Yes,
Then we have got this tube ureter. Yes, you
yes.
got it. After that, where the urine is collected, below,
Urinary
where the urine
bladder.
is collected, urinary bladder, and from urinary bladder, it is removed out of the body
Urethra.
by urethra. Any problem?
No.
Okay. All of you understood better? Seventh standard, boys.
Yes. Yes,
All
ma'am.
of you
Yes,
boys, all of
ma'am.
you. Okay, better. If you're told you're getting stuck somewhere, you can stop me. Okay. Okay, better.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Now let's see how it is functional. Start.
The blood brings the waste products to the kidneys.
Okay, so what is coming? Blood is coming to the kidney. Now, what blood has done? Blood has collected all the waste from the body. How blood collects all the carbon dioxide, which is the generated waste throughout the body. It collects and it takes to the heart. Remember?
Yes.
And then it is thrown out of the body from the
Okay.
nose as a breathing process. That is, carbon dioxide
Yes.
is thrown out of the body. Same thing is happening over here. Blood is collecting all the waste, yes, from the
Yes.
body and is taking to the kidney. Now, kidney will filter. Kidney will do the filtration. So, what it does, let's see. Yes, better.
The kidneys filter the waste and remove, removes the waste as urine.
So urine is coming from where? From blood. Now you understood? Urine is coming
Yes,
from where? It is coming from blood.
blood.
Blood is red color, urine is yellow or white colored. I think you understand that. So
Yes,
the blood is filtered and the urine is a waste which is thrown out of the body in the form of urine.
form of
Then,
urine.
yes, better.
The
Then
urine passes through the ureters into the urinary bladder.
you can see this ureter to the urinary bladder. Got it? Okay, next.
Yes. From the urinary bladder, the urine pass out through the
Passes
urethra. Passes
from
out
urinary,
through the
yes.
urethra.
From there, it passes out through the urethra.
Urethra.
So far, any problem?
No,
Boys, seven boys.
no, no.
Okay, beta. Okay, beta. So this is how you have to draw. You can draw in your book when I give you
Yes,
the
ma'am.
textbook questions. That time I will ask you to draw. Excretion in animals.
Yes, ma'am. An adult human being normally pass about 1.8
One,
liter
two.
of urine in
One,
24
just a minute,
hours.
beta. Just a minute. 1 to 1.8 liter. What you will say, beta? This dash, isn't it, beta? How do you read the
One,
dash? It is 1
one
to
to 1.8
1.8 liter. Understood? This is how you have to say, speak out. Okay. So in 24 hours, our body takes out 1 to 1, almost 2 liter. If you say 1.8 liter is almost 2 liter. So 1 to 1.8 liter of urine a body takes out every in every one day, in every day rather. So every day body takes out 1 to 1.8 liter. What does
Yes.
it contain, beta? What does it contain? Hello.
Uh, yes, ma'am.
What does it contain? It
Mm,
consists of, say, urine consists of
A urine consists of
95 percentage
95% water, 2.5% urea, and 2.5% other waste products.
understood now. So what urine
Yes,
contains? Maximum is water. Maximum is water.
yes,
2.5% is urea and other 2.5% will be other waste.
product.
Okay. So all this is unwanted by our body and that's the reason that it is thrown out of the body. Got it?
Yes,
Hello.
yes.
Now
Transport of
excretion is
substance
over.
plants.
Excretion is over. What we
Over.
did? Circulation is over. Heart is over. Kidney
Yes,
is over. Now we are
yes.
coming to see human and animals over. Now we are coming to plants.
Transport
Got
of
enough? How transportation takes place in plants. That's what we are going to learn.
okay.
Start.
Transport of substance in plant. Transport of water and minerals. Plants absorb water and minerals by roots through hairs.
See, I will draw. This is Earth, right? And you got a taproot system. This is a taproot system, right? And you got lots of hairs. It is root hairs. Subsequently, this root hair will also branch out. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
You get this fine root hairs. So the branch out, these ones are called as root hairs.
Root hairs.
And this big one is main root. That is called as taproot. So you should
Tap.
always understand it. This is taproot. I will also show you the fibrous root. You will have an
Yes,
understanding.
yes, yes,
This is
yes.
the dark, whatever I've darkened it now, beta. This is not absorbing water. Remember that. This
Okay.
is not absorbing water, gas, nothing it does. The absorption is taken out by all these things. This one and this one. Only the root here. So root here
Yes.
is the one which absorbs, but not the root. Remember that. The root never absorbs. It is only the root here which absorbs. So this is what we have learned today. This is the
Yes,
taproot system.
ma'am.
What is this root system, beta? Taproot.
Yes,
This is
taproot.
the taproot system. Now I will show you the fibrous root.
Plants have
Just a
pipe-like
moment, beta. I'm
vessels.
drawing.
Okay.
I'm drawing,
Okay.
beta.
Okay.
This system you get in grass. Have you ever observed grass, beta? If you uproot the
Yes.
grass, remember that
Yes.
the roots that you get is fibrous. This is the fibrous system. All the root hairs absorb the water.
Absorb.
This is fibrous. What is the system? There are two type of system,
Fibrous.
fibrous and taproot. This is fibrous. You've
Taproot
understood
and
something
fibrous.
today? Exactly.
Yes.
Now you have understood?
Yes.
This you
Yes.
get in
Yes.
grass, rice. Got it? Like
Yes.
this. Whereas the taproot system you will get in uh, peepal tree, mango tree, neem tree, big trees, you get the taproot system.
Yes.
Understood now? Okay, fine. Now start.
Plants have pipe-like vessels to transport water and nutrients.
So you got this, what I taught you just now? One is through
Yes.
root hairs, it absorbs, and inside the body, they have pipe-like vessels for transporting water and nutrients. Now, what is called nutrients? It is food. What is nutrient, beta? It is food, isn't it? Hello, hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next. Read.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Please read, beta. Hello, hello. Please read. What happened?
I read.
Ha,
Hello.
beta.
Okay. A tissue is group of cells that
Hello. Hello.
perform specialized function in an organism.
So
Xylem
what is tissue? So what is tissue? This is a
tissue
group
is
of
a group
cells.
of cells.
Okay, they do only one type of function, and now we are going to work on specialized type of cells that is called as tissue. The first one is the tissue we are talking about.
Tissue.
The first one is xylem. This is a tissue, right?
Xylem for xylem for transport of water and nutrients, while phloem phloem for
Phloem.
transport of food. Xylem and phloem together form vascular tissue.
Fine. So xylem is a tissue which is only made for transporting only meant for water and nutrients, while phloem is another tissue which is made Minerals, not food. Phloem, food. You understand? Say, phloem, food. Say, beta. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Phloem,
Say
food for fur. And what?
yes.
Phloem, food for fur. This is how you will remember. You will not get confused. And xylem for water and minerals. Got it? Any problem?
Yes. No.
Any problem, beta?
No.
No. No, no ma'am.
Now start. Transportation in
No
plants
one.
and read beta.
Transportation in plants. In plants, transport of food, water, and minerals takes place through special tissues called vascular tissues.
So in plants, what is happening? Food, water, and minerals are moving from one place to other. Now, if I ask you, from where you get water and minerals in plants, from where do you get water and minerals
Soil. Soil.
in plants? Soil, exactly, soil. So who is taking it up,
Soil.
beta? Who is taking it up?
Wood.
Who is absorbing? Root hair, not root. What you will say? Root hair. Okay?
Wood.
Root hair.
Root hair. Then root hair is putting it in the plant body. So this
Yes.
water and minerals are going where better? The xylem of the root. From
Yes.
there it will go to the xylem of the stem.
Root
From there
stem.
it will go to the xylem of the leaf. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Leaf is photosynthesizing. Leaf is making the food, isn't it? So it needs
Yes,
water.
yes.
So how it will carry? It carries like this. So one thing you've
It's
understood.
very.
Now we will.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
about food? Then the leaf is making the food. Yes, the
Yes.
leaf is making the food. It should go to all parts of the body. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
How it is moving? It is moving through phloem
Mm,
of the
yes.
leaf. From
Leaf.
phloem of the leaf, it goes to the phloem of the stem. From phloem of the stem, it is going to all parts of the body. Got my point?
Body. Yes.
Now let's see what is tissue. Read it.
Tissue is a group of cells which performs a spe- special-
Specialized.
specialized
Specialized.
functions.
Okay.
Functions.
What is
Vascular
tissue?
tissues.
They're only meant for
eh,
one type of function. Tissue is
Yes.
meant for one type of function. Okay.
Yes. Vascular tissues is of two types called scalum
Xylem.
and
Yeah.
scalum and
Phloem.
pro.
Yes, better.
Ma'am,
Xylem
your
and
voice
phloem.
breaking up.
Okay. Now xylem and phloem.
Yes.
Say with me. Xylem
Xylem
and
and
phloem.
अभी भी आवाज आपकी ब्रेकिंग हो रही है.
Phloem. Phloem. Phloem.
Phloem.
Understood now how to pronounce it?
Yes.
Tissue. So vascular tissue is made up of xylem and phloem. Xylem
Xylem and
for phloem. Xylem for water and minerals. Phloem for
yes.
sure. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now read.
The roots have root hairs which absorb water and minerals from the soil. The
This is
scalene tissues.
just a moment. When we
Yes.
take a section, when we take a section of the root, you can see this here. It is taking water. It is taking water. And this xylem and phloem inside that I'll show you later. So xylem tissue of the root, what is they are doing? water to all parts of the plant. So
Transport the
function
water
of
to
this,
all parts of
yeah,
plant.
this is what I told you just now. Okay. Then
Yes.
next,
Food is prepared in the leaves. The
this also has
pro
said.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
agree or not? Okay.
Yes.
Then
The phloem tissues transport the food to all parts of the plant.
this also be said. What do you say?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So all of you understood better. Now see what happens.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
I'm just magnifying it.
What is this?
This is root.
Cell of a plant.
You can see this
Cell.
portion, the portion which I'm highlighting. Just a moment.
Yes. Blue blue.
Yes. That is xylem. What it is, beta?
Xylem.
Xylem. Understood
Xylem.
now? That is xylem. Xylem. So what is the
Yes.
function of xylem, beta? Now tell me, what is the function of xylem? Bolo? What is the function of the
Drop
xylem?
water.
Yes, water and only water, beta?
No. Water and minerals. Minerals.
Minerals. Very good. Very good. Water and minerals. Very good. Now we
Minerals.
come to now we come to other thing.
It's all a phloem.
This is
Phloem.
Phloem.
what is the okay? What is the function of phloem, beta? What is the function of phloem? I just taught you. You can't say don't know.
Forgot.
If
To
you know the function of xylem, then you should know function of phloem. Yes, beta. See, who knows the function of phloem? Anyone knows? I just said fur, remember?
And this is a cell of a plant.
I know, but what is the function? What does it do? How what xylem does?
Forgot.
Xylem transports water and minerals. So what phloem does? Phloem transports what? Food. I told you just now. Fur, phloem, food. How come you forgot?
Food.
So what does phloem does? It transports food.
Food.
Understood? Understood? All of you understood better?
Yes.
yes.
Nicely,
Yes,
nicely.
ma'am.
There are other things which are transported in plants. That is
Yes.
the mechanism is transpiration. I should tell you, I'm giving you the hint. Transpiration
Yes.
means loss of water. What is transpiration? Loss of.
Evaporation.
See, what is happening over here? This is a plant, right? What you can see over
Yes.
here, beta? Root. So root is absorbing
Root.
water.
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 Then
Water.
see you can see the arrow over here, beta. Can you see the
Yes,
arrow?
Yes.
ma'am. This is
So this
water.
is the arrow. This is the arrow. It is
Water
going up,
going up.
going up. So why it is going up for photosynthesis, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes or no? Okay. So when too much of water is taken up by plants, it goes to leaves. These are all
It
leaves,
released by
right?
the stomata.
It the extra water which is
Yes.
not
Mm.
required by the plant is let out, is removed by the plant body. From where? From
Stomata.
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 This process is known as.
Translation.
Now I'm giving you one this thing, one instance, one event. Today you do you open the fridge or the vegetable
Yes.
basket?
Yes.
Yes.
You ever do that? Okay. If it is in a polythene paper, you remove it. Can you see some droplets inside the
Yes, they
polythene?
have
Yes.
dot.
Yes. Yes.
Dot.
All of
Water
you,
dot.
all of you, water drops. Yes. Have you observed that?
Water droplet.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
In
Yes.
some, just a moment, beta. In some, it is more. In some, it is less. Where do you find it more, beta? If it is leafy vegetable. If it is leafy vegetable, the drops will be more. If
Yes.
our flowers or fruits, the drops will be less. Have you observed that?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Because
Yes.
tomato is more
Yes.
in leaves. Tomato is present more on leaves as
Leaves.
compared to fruits and stems. You agree? You agree,
Yes,
beta?
ma'am.
Okay.
Agree. Agree.
One more event I will say that if you sit under the tree in the afternoon, summer
Yes.
afternoon, you feel that it's quite pleasant. You don't feel hot.
Yes.
Why? Due to
Yes. Because
transpiration. You
it
understand?
it yes, it is called transpiration.
Yes, it's due to transpiration because the water comes out of the plant and when it mixes with the air, it gives you a cooling effect. So you feel very pleasant when you're sitting under the tree in the afternoon. You understand? You understood nicely, beta?
Understood.
Understood. See something new you have learned today? Did you learn something new today? Little or
Yes, ma'am,
many?
we enjoyed very much.
Not enjoyed, beta. I'm just asking you whether you have learned something extra today. That is what
Yes.
I'm saying. Okay. So let's see what is transpiration. Read, beta. Read.
Okay, ma'am. Transpiration. The evaporation of water through the stomach present on the surface leaves of is called transpiration.
Read slowly, not so fast.
Okay, ma'am.
So then,
Transpiration generates a suction
suction, pull.
suction pull which can pull water to great heights in the tall trees. It causes
Okay.
cooling effect in plants.
It causes cooling effect in plant that I've already told you, right? Now,
Yes,
suction pull is what? For example, this is a tube. The water is going up, and from where it is coming? Root, right? And from where it is going? Leaf. You agree?
yes,
Okay. When water is removed from it, so it creates a vacuum. What it creates? Sort of vacuum.
vacuum.
Okay. When it becomes empty, see, there's a force, isn't it, by which the water is
Yes,
removed from the
Yes.
body. So a force is being created in the pipe. You got my point? And with that
Yes.
force, the
mm,
water is absorbed by the root. If the suction pull is not maintained, then water will not be absorbed by the root. Due to the suction pull only, the water is carried up onto the leaves. You got it? Remember, it is working against the gravity. Do you know that? Gravity pulls the body below, and here the water is pulled up. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? So the suction pull is against the gravity because
yes,
it is going up. Because if you throw the ball up, it comes down after some time, isn't it?
yes.
But in this case, in plant, the water goes up to the leaves for photosynthesis purpose. So it is working against the gravity. Yes, better start.
Transpiration. Transpiration is the process by plants
Slowly,
give
better,
out
slowly. Don't rush slowly.
water through the stomata in the leaf. The evaporation of water from leaves produces a suction pull pull water great height and tall trees.
Okay. Can you hear me properly? Hello, can you hear me properly? Hello?
Yes,
Voice? Okay. So what is this process? That plants is giving out extra water to the stomata. Where do you find stomata? Leaves. So extra water is removed from the body of the plant. That is called transpiration. Actually, what is it? The other word is also called as evaporation of water. So what is happening? The leaves is evaporating water. So it is leaving the body and mixing with the atmosphere. This evaporation is creating a pull, a suction pull. That's the reason why water is pulled to greater heights in tall trees as well. So you can see over here, evaporation from leaves.
Yes.
Yes? And this is the cycle of transpiration. The water is going up from the tree trunk to the leaves, and water is absorbed by the
Yes.
roots. Got it? So it is going up on the tree, then it goes to the leaves, and from there it is removed from the body. Any problem? Any problem, beta?
No problem.
So your chapter got over. Do you find any difficulty in this chapter? It's a
No
difficult.
difficult.
It's very easy. What do you say?
Yes.
Boys, you people made it very easy, isn't it? We did the circulation, we did respiration, and we did the excretion and transportation. So many things we did in this chapter. What do you say? If at all, while going through it, you get any sort of problem, you can call me up, okay? Hello. Okay, beta?
Yes.
Okay. Is the time up? Or should we still have time?
Hmm.
I'll ask you some questions then.
Okay, ma'am.
You got, I think, 2, 3 minutes left. I will ask you certain questions. Let's see what you do.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, the color of blood is red due to what? The color of blood is red due to what?
Um, due to blood cells. Blood
Only blood
cells.
cells? We have blood cells as white blood cells, red blood cells,
Yes.
blood platelets. Is it that or is it
Red
something
blood
else?
cells.
Okay, but what red blood cells have?
Red blood cells have
What red blood cells have? Chlorophyll, oxygen, carbon dioxide, hemoglobin.
oxygen. Oxygen.
Color, I'm talking about color better. Color is due to oxygen. So
No.
understand what I'm asking. The color of blood is red due to the presence of chlorophyll, oxygen, hemoglobin, or carbon dioxide.
Hemoglobin.
Yeah, exactly. And after hemoglobin comes into the blood, it attaches to oxygen. Later, oxygen comes. Oxygen does not come earlier. It is main is hemoglobin. Then
Yes.
hemoglobin
Many
attaches with
hemoglobin.
oxygen. Yes. Understood? So understand the question properly. Okay, beta? Okay. Which controls
Okay,
blood
ma'am.
circulation?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, beta. Which controls blood circulation, beta?
Veins.
No, I said in the body, which controls blood circulation? Which is the organ which controls blood circulation?
Kidney.
Kidney controls blood circulation. What's wrong with you, beta?
Have heart.
So I
Heart.
told you again, please understand the question, think it twice, and then answer. Don't do like that, beta. It is heart. What it is?
Heart.
Heart. See, I'm putting
Heart.
the question in a different manner. Yes. Transport of food in plants takes place through what? Transport of food in plants takes place through which tissue?
Root. Phloem. Xylem.
Phloem. Phloem. Very good. It is phloem. Who said xylem?
Yes.
Who said xylem?
Xylem absorb water and mineral from
Yes.
soil.
But I asked only for food, isn't it, Vita? What I asked, you have to give me that answer only. Okay. Which contains hemoglobin? Red blood cells or white blood cells? Hello?
Why?
Which contains hemoglobin? Red blood cells or white blood
Red.
cells? Red blood cells. Very good. So I think we come to a close.
Okay,
Yes?
ma'am.
Huh? It's already 15 better. So we meet very
Okay, ma'am.
soon. I hope. Please do revise the uploaded video
Okay,
whenever
ma'am.
feeling.
Bye. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye, better.
Have a nice day.
Same to you.